Hey, welcome back to 1 Minute Excel. Today I wanted to walk you through two functions that are very helpful in locating what a formula is doing, either the cell it's affecting or the cell that it's affected by. And this is called the precedent and dependent. And the way you get to these is, if you're on the main tabs here, you go all the way over to the formula tab and you'll see them there. Trace precedence, trace dependence. And what it means is the precedent would be what cells are affecting the value in the cell that you see right there. And the dependent would be what cells are affected by the value in the cell that you're seeing. So let's walk through a quick example. It'll make more sense. Here I'm using an old example when I did the indirect formula video, which I recommend watching because it uses a lot of cell referencing. But really quick, if we click on this cell, for example, right here, if we want to see what's the precedent, and we hit the trace precedence button here, it'll show an arrow. And it says, okay, there's two pieces. The first one is this B over here and the 12 over there. So we can see it there. And let's remove the arrows. So the shortcut, if you didn't want to do that and you actually just wanted to see what showed up, is you can actually hit Control and the open square bracket. And what it does is it actually shows you what's going on. And it's even more helpful when you're direct linking another tab. You can see this is a different tab I'm linking. And if I just hit the shortcut and go Control open square bracket, it took me to the median and percentile example tab. Now if you didn't want to use the shortcut here, if you click the button trace precedence, if you look over here, it brings up a little table. And if you click on the little table, you'll see it says right there that it's the median and percentile tab and it's cell B12. So it's very helpful either way. If you want to do it this way or use the shortcuts, you'll be able to quickly see what's driving the value in the cell. And then when you're done, you can hit remove arrows. And then on the flip side, if we want to see what effect this B12 is having, if it has any dependence, now you can hit Control and close square bracket. And in this example, it says, okay, this indirect formula here is dependent on this cell. Another way to do it is to hit trace dependence. You see it shows the arrow right there, and it's saying go to this cell here, it's dependent on this value. So whether you use the shortcut on the keyboard or not, this is a great function to know. It'll be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.